The A320 family has three independent hydraulic systems: green, yellow and blue. Let's look at each system in more detail. The green and yellow hydraulic systems are each pressurized by an engine-driven pump. The yellow hydraulic system can also be pressurized by an electric pump used on the ground when engines are stopped, by a hand pump used by crew members in order to operate the cargo doors when no electrical power is available. A power transfer unit, PTU, enables the green and yellow system to pressurize each other automatically. Fire shut-off valves are located between the reservoirs and the engine-driven pumps. They are controlled by the engine fire push-button switches. The blue hydraulic system is pressurized by an electric pump. In an emergency, the blue system can be pressurized by the ram air turbine, RAT. Each hydraulic system delivers a constant pressure to the users. The components we have talked about are displayed on the ECAM hydraulic page, except the hand pump on the yellow system. Let's briefly review the basic system using the ECAM hydraulic page. Reservoirs, fire shut-off valves, engine-driven pumps, electrical pumps, RAT, PTU, pressure indications. The controls of all the components we have talked about are located on the overhead hydraulic control panel. Let's now compare the ECAM hydraulic page with this panel. The hydraulic system is fully automatic. However, each pump and the PTU have an associated push-button switch for abnormal operation. Each engine-driven pump is controlled by a push-button switch located on the overhead panel. Each electrical pump is controlled by a push-button switch. The PTU is controlled by a push-button switch. The RAT may be extended manually by using this guarded push-button switch.